Good morning, everybody. It's Frank Lambert with Premier Sotheby's International Realty with your Zerata update on June 28th, 2025. As you look at the front of the building now, major things have happened since our last update. The stucco's finished and painted white. The tile guys are installing on the second and third floor areas that look like wood, but it's actually tile, so it lasts forever. And then they'll move up to the fourth and fifth floor. All the glass is in now. You can see, even though it's plastic or part of it, there's glass all across the front of the bottom of the building for the commercial spaces and our new lobby. So lots of things are happening. We're very close to starting to finish the exterior, because once they finish the tile in those other areas on the fourth and fifth floor, they'll put the railings on, and then the outside of the front of the building will basically be done. So then the fun part starts. They are completely redoing the streetscape here. There'll be 5 new brick pavered parking spaces with mature trees in front of each one, which will really make this just pop. It'll be spectacular. I can't wait to see it. Even when you drive around town now, you look over here, you can see it. It's quite impressive. So today we're gonna move inside to show you the good work that's happening on the inside, which is drywall and cabinetry, tile floors, all that good fun stuff, which means we're getting closer and closer to finishing. So we'll take a minute and we'll move inside and we'll start up again. Okay, now we're inside unit 210, which is on the second floor. If you'll notice where Kaylee's shooting from here, this has an enormous tile balcony. This is all going to be tiled. It's the only one like it in the project. It was sold prior to this, but now he has decided to move up to a 3-bedroom unit. So this one is now available for the first time in a long time. But it is the only one that has this large patio. And to right to the end of the patio, there's a planter there. And if Kelly pans to this way, there's a huge planter right here. This is all trees and plants in here. So this one has a wonderful patio space, huge, landscaping everywhere. So it's just something I wanted to show you. It's now available. So we're back inside now on unit 210, the one with the big patio. And this is the main thing I wanted to show you on this update today. The second and third floors now have all drywall completed. Prime paint is completed. Underneath this paper, the tile floors are all in. Kayla will show you some shots of that also. But then if she pans in and looks at the kitchen cabinets are now in. So very shortly, you'll have the new Quartz countertops coming in here. And the thing you gotta know is once the Quartz countertops come in, we can finish the plumbing. I mean, that means sinks and faucets. Toilets can be put in because the tile floors are down now. Air conditioning can be finished. I mean, we're really getting to the final days of these units. It could happen very quickly. So that's the good news today. Drywall done, tile floors, cabinetry going in. This is all done on the second floor now. The third floor now is all drywall. I don't think they've started the cabinets yet there. The next floor will be the fourth floor and fifth floor, and they'll get their drywall. So the second and third floor is 85% ready. Then you got the fourth and fifth floor. So what we're talking about here is probably looking at some TCOs, which are temporary certificate of occupancies, happening late August and closing starting in September. The higher floors will be later than the earlier floors because we go from the bottom up. So that's soon to happen. And we'll give you another update in 30 days to see how we're going towards that. So that's the main focus of today, is to see how far along we're on in general. One other thing I'll say too, usually electricians don't finish trimming out a unit until they're almost done. They've already come here and started putting in their switches and plates. That's another thing that's a one-day trim out. I mean, you don't realize how little time it'll take to finish this. So thanks for checking in on this update. We're going to do one more update outside from the rear of the building to show you the status there. Okay, now we're in unit 204 on the sunset side of the building. You see a lot of light is flowing in. It's 10:30 in the morning. Here's a different set of cabinets with lighter colored bases and then the white tops, which gives you another viewpoint. This is a split plan also. It is available, but this is as you walk in the door, you have this big living room, dining room. And one of the great things about this building is, look at the windows. They're floor to ceiling. That's a big difference. Not many places do that. So you've got your patio here. Some of the windows are operable, so you get that flow through ventilation. And then it's a split plan too, with the master on that side and the guest bedroom on that side. So this just will give you another little idea of what's going on. But again, drywall, cabinets, paint, and tile. That's where we're at now. Okay, and lastly for this update, we're on the rear of the building now. And you can see all the scaffolding is gone, all the windows are in, the only thing left are the balcony railings, and then those white stripes on the windows are just protection tape. They're not going to have white windows. It's going to be all bronze glass. But now that that's done, you pan over here, you can see the 3-bedroom stack on the right. That's completed. The house that's been here for a long time that used to be a ugly orange is now nice bright white and gray. It looks much nicer. They're cleaning it up and bringing in tenants, so that's a plus. It's not a minus. So this gives you an idea of where we're at on the rear of the building. You've seen the front and the inside, and that'll wrap up today's June update. So we'll see you again at the end of July.